Hey everyone, welcome to this VeChain staking tutorial. Staking VeChain VET and earning VeChain staking rewards is easy. And in this video, we're going to learn how to stake your VeChain VET and earn VeTHO tokens using Exodus. If you don't have an Exodus wallet yet, click the link in the top right to download or visit exodus.com. And if you don't already have VeChain tokens, you can hit the receive button to view your VeChain address and send VET to your Exodus wallet from another wallet or exchange. You can also swap other cryptos for VeChain using the swap feature. Believe it or not, once you have VeChain in your wallet, you begin automatically earning VeTHO tokens every 10 seconds. No further action is required. When you hold VeChain VET tokens, VeTHO tokens are created and automatically deposited into your VeTHO wallet. Let's see what this looks like in the Exodus mobile app followed by the desktop app. And once you're in the mobile app, tap the profile icon, scroll down a bit, and you'll quickly notice Exodus supports a lot of assets. In the search field, you can type the name of whichever asset you want to enable. So I'm just typing VE so I can enable the VeChain and VeTHO wallet in one go. Now both wallets are enabled. Tap the wallet icon, pop into the VeChain wallet, and tap the receive icon to view your address. Tapping the address automatically copies it so you can paste it wherever you'll be sending VeChain from. Deposit VeChain and you're done. Staking rewards begin accruing automatically. You can also view your earnings and reward rate by tapping the stake button in the VeChain wallet or pop into your VeTHO wallet to view your balance. Let's move over to the desktop app. Click the wallet icon at the top to get into the wallet section. Type VeChain in the search field and click it to enable the wallet. Click receive to find your address. Deposit VeChain and you are set. Your staking rewards begin accruing automatically. There's an asset menu in the top right hand corner where you can view the VeTHO that you've earned over time by tapping earn rewards, or pop into your VeTHO wallet to view your balance. Again, if you don't have VeChain and Exodus, send VET to your Exodus wallet from another wallet or exchange, or swap another crypto like Bitcoin or USDC for VeChain using the swap feature. Staking VeChain is automatic once you have VET tokens in your wallet. Thanks for watching, everyone. We've got a lot more videos for you, so just click any of these to keep watching.